What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shantae, where everything here on my channel is about motherhood, lifestyle, some cleaning, and some DIYs. Today's DIY is an easy peasy at home pregnant Halloween costume. I know some pregnant moms are just like, I don't know what to wear. I don't know who to be. I don't know, if I can fit anything. I don't want to get a costume because, I'm huge and I can't fit anything. Well, today, guys, I'm going to show you how to go right in your closet and find something cute for Halloween. So let's get started. Okay, y'all, I already know my closet is a total mess. I already know this, okay? Look out for the video about small closet organization because it's coming. Your girl needs to fix this, okay? But let's get right into it. So I picked out this shirt. I was thinking this shirt, it's just a plain red shirt, right? It really is just a plain red shirt. But let's put something with it. Let's put something together. So this one is just a plain, like, mustard yellow shirt. It's a long sleeve one. So some good can come of this. Now, I found this in the back of my closet. I was actually going to use this to take pictures with my son a long time ago, but that actually never ended up happening. So I actually decided, why not use this for a costume for myself? So I'm going to use that. And
lady, I already know the struggle. Okay, I know the struggle of where am I? Okay.
So, ladies, I already know the struggle of trying to find pants to wear. You can definitely put on leggings or some jogging pants, which is what I'm about to do. I'm about to put on some jogging pants with my little outfit and call it a day. Okay, so watch me transform into my Halloween costume.
Calling your phone, why you not hitting me back? Please just pick up, don't wanna go tit for tat. Arguing on, first it's this, then it's that. Killing my vibe, now I'm writing this rap. This is not another love song. Girl, you got me sprung on. Loving like you know your pick stick. Curve me crazy like I did some. Really knew you was the one, no. Now you're wanting to be done, so help me tie it like a zip tie. Now you're running on the run, go. Not a love song, not another love song. 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 Ran up the check, no safety on what you get. You know I'm Saint Nick, all year was getting you gifts. Can't lie, I know I've been gone, just trying to make a week spend. I know you wanted me home, don't understand why you split. This is not another love song. Girl, you got me sprung on. Loving like you know your pick stick. Curve me crazy like I did some. Really knew you was the one, no. Now you're wanting to be done, so help me tie it like a zip tie. Now you're running on the run, go. Not a love song, not another love song. 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 Testing me, why you always testing me? Arguing back and forth, can't make a call, might need a referee. Daughter, you not here, I'm in my thoughts, it's so unsettling. Trying to make some sacrifices, mind and heart been wrestling. Got your friends around you, talking crazy, hit them heckling. Got you in your feelings, now you hit me, and you're pressing me. Had me in the doghouse tied down, I was tethering. But you're still right here, so are you riding, are you dead in me? Let it be. Not a love song, not another love song. Not a love song, not another love song. Not a love song, not another love song. Not a love song, not another love song.
Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally,
Boom, and that is it, guys. Now, putting on the shirt was a bit of a struggle, but I got it done. We are here, sis. So it doesn't really matter if the shirts like fit well or not, as long as you can get them on and over your belly. That's all that matters. At least that's all that matters to me. You can definitely tell who I am or what I am. So I wouldn't worry too much about the fit of the finished product. But I mean, it was easy peasy to just throw together, and you don't have to worry about spending a ton of money on those pregnancy costumes, because they are overcharging us. Girl, we can do it on our own, okay? So definitely check out your closet, see what you have in your closet to put together that you can make a nice little costume DIY at home. For the low, girl, you do not have to spend a ton of money, okay? So let me complete my costume with my pot, with my honey pot that you guys saw the video on last time. Here is my honey pot that you guys saw me destroy in my last video. I got the paint from Dollar Tree. I got the paint from Dollar Tree, which totally, I don't recommend Dollar Tree paint, but I got this clay pot from Amazon for like $6. Here's my
always
costume.
daydreaming, never imagined I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, because you don't want to miss all the other goodies that we have coming in store for you
Into the
guys.
clouds, I'm so
Thank you guys for
high.